This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and fun for everyone involved. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure there are no lumps. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Once both mixtures are ready, pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Mix gently until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. Time to cook. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. These easy-to-make pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. Enjoy sharing your culinary creation with your family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.